how are you all doing today? Let's hang out a bit. We're doing an everyday makeup look today because a lot of you have been asking me, what is my everyday makeup? So this is my gift to you. Mwah, mwah. I'm really proud of how I perfected my everyday makeup because I have optimized it so hard that Optimus Prime would probably be behind me. Not only is it affordable, it is 15 to 20 minutes, which means it's fast, and there's under 10 products. So we're 3 for 3. So let's get into it, okay? Okay, let's begin. So we're starting off with a natural finish BB cream. And before you ask me, where do I get all these products? Well, they'll be linked in the description below. So I'm spreading the BB cream on the center of my face first. That means the middle of my cheeks, the middle of my forehead, and the middle of my chin. Next, blend towards the outside of your face with a makeup sponge or brush. Oops, I forgot a little bit of lip balm. I use this as a lip mask so my lips can get hydrated while I do the rest of my makeup. So concealer is optional. You only need to use it on problem areas. I mean, only if you're like tired or have blemishes or something. I usually just aim to cover my dark circles and some of my acne scars. Wow, so much more refreshed. We have a few new friends, so I'm gonna cover up the little pimples I have. The key is not to cover up too many blemishes and scars because that way it looks a little bit less natural. I think if your scars peek through a little bit, it's okay. You just look like regular skin. Now I go in with a nice little powder because I kind of have glass skin blindness. I don't know why, but when I look at my skin, I'm like, oh, perfect, it's super dewy. But then some people are like, why is your skin so oily and greasy looking? So nowadays I've been mattifying it a bit because I've been a little over dewy. I overhydrate my skin because I'm scared of getting eczema. And for the people who get eczema, you know, it's pretty painful. A little bit of dewiness around the face is gone. I also really like going into this spot right here, especially if you have jewelry on, dangling close to your ear. And that brings me to this video's mention. Thank you to Ana Luisa for gifting some beautiful jewelry for me to showcase in this video. That way I can showcase to you guys a way to enhance your look. So I love pairing my natural everyday makeup with dainty and classic jewelry. When my accessories are simple, they're easy to pair with a lot of different outfits and a lot of different looks. So I often opt to buy very nice and timeless looking jewelry. I honestly love Ana Luisa because their style really suits me, and I love how dainty this beautiful little necklace is. It kind of looks like a heart in my opinion. Also, if you're a person that doesn't really like super flashy jewelry, they have great everyday pieces. And the best part is that they have a 2-year warranty, so if they tarnish, you can always get it refreshed. Make sure to check them out in my description. I'm a huge fan. I love their jewelry, and I would love for you to pick some up for yourself as well. Now that I'm done, I am less of a grease ball, and I look like I'm dewy in the right spots, which is what I want is on the cheek here, a little bit on the inside of the eye, my nose, and a bit on my forehead. Moving on to eyebrows. I am very intense about my eyebrows because I lived through 2016. I lived through the pomade, but nowadays I am really into a natural brow. So now I just fill in any little empty spots and just extend the tail. So one of my biggest tips if you're a beginner at makeup is to buy multifunctional products. I love a product that can work on my lips, cheeks, eyes, everything. So this is one of those. This is from Judydoll. I also have a bunch of different kinds to show you. You don't have to be exclusive to this one. Basic also has one that's quite nice. I like using this one, but it's a little bit more on the matte side. Also, it's a cute heart. Like, what the heck? Who doesn't want a tiny little lip brush? AOU also kind of has their own version. This brand is opened by a K-pop makeup artist. She really knows what she's doing because I really like the products she's come out with. Okay, I'll be using the Judydoll one. I find it works best on my cheeks and eyes if I take the product on my finger like this and then put it on the back of my hand, grab a brush. This way you have a lot more control. I like to put a bit on my nose as well. And I kind of use it as contour, blush, eye makeup, and a lip product. I know, crazy, just need one product. That's why I think it's super beginner friendly because it's a balm product. So if you do mess up, you can easily wipe it off or cover it with some more BB cream or foundation. Do you like to diffuse the edges just a bit? Right on the tip of my chin as well. Now taking my fingers, and then I'm going to put a bit on my eyes as well. So I warmed up the area around my eyes. Now we'll do our lips. I'm gonna wipe off the lip mask. Same one obviously, and just with my fingers, I'm gonna put some on my lips. It kind of looks like my lips are blushing almost. Okay, we're in the home stretch. Let's do the eye makeup. So if you're a beginner, I cannot stress this enough. Get yourself an eyeliner pencil. You know why? Because you're familiar with it when you're writing, but except on your face, I guess. So I always use a brown eyeliner because it looks a lot more natural. As I'm lining my eye, I only start 3/4 of the way down, and then I drag out the liner with my pinky. And this is how I keep it subtle, making sure my eyeliner doesn't overwhelm my eye. Also, eyeliner pencils are super forgiving, so if you mess up, you can just easily smudge it off. Try again. I don't normally wear mascara every single day. I would just honestly curl my lashes and leave it like this, but for the sake of the video, I will add a little bit of mascara. And lastly, just a little bit of under eye makeup. And then with like a taupe-ish color, this is why I say get little pencils because they're so cheap and you can get a lot of different colors. I'm going to draw in my Aegyo cell. Concealer pencil for highlight. And also, if you don't like a matte lip like this, grab some of that lip mask from the beginning of the video and just turn it into a lip gloss. And she's done! So this is the makeup look. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes for me to do, as I said earlier. And just as a reminder, all of the product links are in the description, as well as Ana Luisa's link. Look how beautiful this jewelry is. It matches my look so well right now. If you found this helpful, please make sure to subscribe and also like this video. I want to make a big community of Babs, all of us Babs together. Okay, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye everyone.